Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Spectrum Mobile and how they just price dropped their plan to an even low plan. So before it started at $45 a month, of course you need Spectrum internet or service to get that deal. But now guys, they dropped it down, quite a bit of money. So, down from 45 all the way to almost, $30, $29.99. So $15 worth of savings there. So it says more lines, more savings. So they kind of are enticing you to do maybe a family plan. It says our best deal ever, Spectrum Mobile unlimited data plans. Now, of course, there are some gimmicks, and we're going to talk about that in this video today. It's not fully unlimited like it's talking about it, guys. So it says enjoy special savings on unlimited data with plans starting at just $29.99 per line. It says use all the data you want with nationwide 5G included. So technically, yes, you can use all the data you want, but there are some restrictions on there. We're going to take a look at that. So it says restrictions apply, Spectrum internet required. So it's still right there, guys. It tells you if you're not looking careful, but I'll show you right here. It does say that you do need Spectrum internet service to get this deal. If not, I believe it's a lot higher. But let's get into it, guys. It says start saving with 2 great unlimited plans. So they do give you 2 choices now. Of course, the base model, then a premium model. So it says stay connected without worrying about your data usage or overage fees. Get the freedom to stream, download, and game wherever you go. Or view our by the gig plan that only pay for the data you need. So unlimited data, guys. $29.99. Really nice. Still really cheap. Probably one of their cheaper unlimited plans out there. And remember, Spectrum Mobile is only available in certain areas. Like here in North Carolina, we do have Spectrum Spectrum internet, and so I can get this deal. But like I said, there are a couple things and restrictions with that. But $29.99 instead of $45, guys. You get 5G nationwide access included at no extra cost, of course. Unlimited talk, text, and data. Switch between unlimited or unlimited plus anytime. So it's pretty cool. You can go with unlimited basic, or maybe one month you need more data. You can go ahead and pay $10 more, which is still basically $40, $39.99, which is still a really good deal for internet, on a cell phone. Now, of course, Spectrum Mobile does run off of Verizon's network. So when you're using Spectrum Mobile, you are using Verizon's network. I'm pretty sure you do not get any priority data. So it says unlimited plus, $10 more per month per line, that is, if you do the unlimited plus. So with plus means you're paying extra. So it says enjoy all the benefits of the unlimited plan plus a little extra. HD streaming HD quality streaming. So you, instead of doing 480 standard definition on the basic $29.99, you can do HD streaming on the unlimited unlimited plus plan, should I say. Sorry, it's a little late, so sorry, I get a little tired. More freedom to surf and stream. So let's get more into it, guys. It says get Spectrum internet, select your device, customize your plan. It says keep watching. It says the DVD quality video with unlimited or upgrade to unlimited plus for HD streaming. So right there it's telling you you can if you're watching shows or YouTube or anything like that, the base model or base plan, should I say, is $29.99. Of course, you get DVD quality video, which is 480p, and then if you want to pay extra, you can for HD quality. Of course, you get 5G and all that good stuff. So that's what we're talking about. You get 5G with it. And here we go. So in this page, it's just telling you about what does unlimited mean. Let me see if it tells you here. Probably not, but here it is on the. If you look more on the bottom, you do get all the extra stuff. So restrictions apply. Of course, you do need. So here's all the little red flags that comes with this. So here's the restrictions and all the terms and stuff. So service not available in all areas. Per line activation fees. Ooh, so you do get activation fee, Spectrum internet, and auto pay required. So you have to have their internet service, and you have to have the auto pay set up. If not, you can't get this, I guess. Offer details. So it says offer valid for new customers adding lines or for current customers adding unlimited lines to existing service. Unlimited. Reduced speeds from 20 gigabytes. So reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes of usage per line. So the base plan, the cheaper one, only gives you 20 gigs. After that, your speeds will get reduced, I believe, to 1 megabit per second, which is pretty slow, but typically still usable. So you're not gonna get those crazy speeds that you were before. I was like, what is that behind me? Now, if you get the unlimited plus, $10 more, it says reduce speeds after 30 gigs. So basically, you're paying $1 a gig because for $10 more, you get 10 more gigs, which is, you know, I guess reasonable. Restrictions apply. It says to access 5G, you need a 5G compatible device and you have to be in a 5G area. There are some trade-in offers, but the main thing, like I said, that we want to take away from this is the usage. Even though they say unlimited, you only get 20 on the basic, or for the plus, you do get 30. And like I said, after that, it does slow down to, I believe, 1 megabit per second, which is pretty slow. I mean, should be enough to stream Netflix, I believe, but still kind of slow. So pretty cool, you know. Spectrum finally lowered their price, which is nice, you know, for a lot of people that can get Spectrum Mobile. So check them out. Let me know in the comments below. Do you use them? Do you like them? Do you want to try them out? So yeah, I typically use more than 20 or 30 gigs on my phone, so this plan would not be that good for me at all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to support the channel. Check out the description below with checking out Honey, their free web browser extension that gives you coupons and savings. So check them out. Everything in the description below, guys. Thank you.